This is not an ordinary truck. Its suspension can travel farther than most vehicles ever need. As the truck approaches the obstacle, every suspension component prepares for impact. The wheels begin moving independently, keeping maximum contact with the terrain. Massive shocks absorb energy before it reaches the chassis. Inside the cockpit, every vibration tells the driver what the terrain is doing. From above, the rough desert reveals why extreme suspension travel is essential. The tire deforms instantly, spreading impact forces across a larger area. Force travels from the ground through the wheel and deep into the suspension system. The suspension rebounds smoothly, keeping the truck stable and controllable. Compared to a road car, the wheel travel difference is extraordinary. Long control arms allow the suspension to manage larger impacts safely. Every moving part works together to maintain traction and stability. The suspension cycles from full extension to compression in a fraction of a second. Hidden internal components handle enormous forces during every impact. Slow motion reveals the exact moment energy enters the system. Peak load occurs here, where every component is pushed to its limit. Stored energy is released in a controlled rebound sequence. Suspension geometry changes continuously as the wheel moves through its travel. Engineers design each component to guide forces along specific paths. Small amounts of controlled flex help reduce destructive stress. Too much movement would quickly create serious mechanical problems. The tire contact patch constantly adapts to changing terrain. Loads shift through the hub and axle as impacts increase. Steering corrections keep the truck precisely on course. The chassis twists and moves while maintaining structural integrity. Drivetrain components continue working despite changing suspension angles. Every critical fastener must survive relentless vibration and impacts. Bearings carry heavy loads while rotating at high speed. Forces travel from the suspension directly into the chassis structure. Heat begins building in components after repeated high load cycles. Fatigue comes from thousands of impacts, not just one dramatic landing. Continuous suspension movement is the key to desert racing performance. Tiny signs of wear reveal where the greatest loads occur. High-frequency vibration challenges every bracket, hose, and connector. Protective seals keep dust and debris away from critical components. Lubrication reduces friction while components move under heavy loads. Pressure inside the shocks changes constantly during operation. More mass means more energy and greater suspension demands. Speed dramatically increases the forces acting on the suspension. Even small changes in impact angle alter the load path. Driver skill helps reduce stress without eliminating the challenge. Engineers use specialized rigs to test components before racing. Sensors measure forces, movement, and loads in real time. High-speed cameras reveal details invisible to the human eye. Comparing new and used parts exposes the effects of repeated impacts. Precision alignment ensures suspension geometry remains correct. Geometry changes influence handling throughout the wheel travel range. The front suspension absorbs rapid impacts while maintaining steering control. The rear suspension manages huge landings and stabilizes the vehicle. Every system works together to keep the truck moving at incredible speed. This extreme suspension travel is what allows trophy trucks to conquer the desert. Professional engineers analyze every movement to understand how suspension loads travel through the vehicle. A controlled test reveals how small geometry changes affect performance at speed. Advanced telemetry transforms invisible forces into measurable data. Every sensor records critical information during the suspension cycle. The slow-motion footage exposes details normally hidden from the human eye. Engineers compare fresh and race-worn components to identify stress patterns. Precise alignment measurements ensure maximum stability and control. Suspension geometry must remain accurate even after severe impacts. The front suspension absorbs rapid terrain changes without losing steering precision. The rear suspension stabilizes the chassis during aggressive landings. Wheel travel is carefully balanced to maximize traction and control. Long travel suspension allows the truck to maintain speed over rough terrain. Each shock absorber converts impact energy into controlled motion. Massive tires work together with the suspension to smooth the ride. The chassis distributes forces across the entire structure. Every component is engineered to survive extreme desert conditions. Repeated impacts test the limits of material strength and durability. Suspension tuning is a balance between comfort, control, and performance. Even minor adjustments can transform how the vehicle behaves. Professional drivers rely on suspension feedback to make split-second decisions. Traction depends on keeping the tires connected to the ground. The suspension constantly adapts to unpredictable terrain changes. Control arms guide wheel movement through a precise path. Shock valving determines how quickly energy is absorbed and released. The entire system works together as a single engineering solution. Heat, vibration, and impact forces challenge every moving component. Desert racing pushes suspension technology to its limits. Years of development are hidden beneath every successful run. This engineering allows incredible speed where most vehicles would fail. Extreme suspension travel is the secret behind trophy truck performance.
Good, but they're running hot. How's the pedal feel inside?
A little soft, but consistent. Suspension feels solid.